Hello students, welcome back to Chemical Thermodynamics. Last time we saw enthalpies of atomic and molecular changes and the last topic under this was enthalpy of solution. If you remember, enthalpy of solution को हमने कैसे define किया था? It is the enthalpy change that occurs when 1 mole of any substance is dissolved in a specified amount of solvent. Okay, and if you remember, we have taken example of common salt NaCl. solute है ये, तो solid state में है, and when it is dissolved in water, what I will write, plus water medium is represented in this way, and this gave what? A salt solution, which we represent in this way, NaCl aqueous. And I hope you remember the enthalpy of solution for this particular reaction was 4 kilojoules per mole. Okay, till this we have seen. Now what are the steps involved in dissolving any solute in a solvent? This NaCl is an ionic compound, and we know ionic compounds have got high solubility in water. So any ionic compound dissolves in water, or you can say aqueous medium, in 2 steps. Now we will see these 2 steps. The first step is what? First the ions in the ionic compound are separated. Ions are separated from the molecule. So suppose I represent a general formula of any ionic compound in this way. Okay, I am having any salt. Suppose instead of NaCl, general formula of NaCl क्या हो जाएगा? Mx. We know this is representing metal and this is representing non-metal, and when it is separated into its ions, we will represent this separation in this way. Okay, now the enthalpy change for this particular reaction is always positive, and this is called what? It is called crystal lattice enthalpy. The enthalpy change for this particular step is called crystal lattice enthalpy, and it will be denoted as delta LH. Okay, now what is step 2? The ions which are formed, they get hydrated with the water molecules which is surrounding them. So M plus and X minus, both of these ions get what? Hydrated, means they get surrounded by water molecules. And how I can represent this? Suppose Mx plus reacts or combines with X moles of water, so it will form what? A complex which we represent in this way. Now we know water तो neutral होता है, तो ये पूरे का चार्ज क्या होगा? Whatever charge I have on the metal, so in this way. And X minus जो था, anion जो form हुआ था, it will also get hydrated by some number of water molecules. Let us say that number is Y. So the complex formed is what? H2O. How many times? Y molecules we have taken, and the net charge on this will be minus. Now remember, the delta H means the enthalpy change for this second step is always negative, and it is called enthalpy of hydration. So for these 2 steps, which is actually second step, the enthalpy change is what? Enthalpy of hydration, which is represented in this way. Okay, now what is enthalpy of solution? Solution मतलब consist of these 2 steps. सोल्यूशन कैसे बनेगा? जब सॉल्यूट को आप सॉल्वेंट में डिसॉल्व करोगे, एंड दिस इज इन्वॉल्विंग व्हाट? क्रिस्टल लैटिस एंथैल्पी एंड एंथैल्पी ऑफ हाइड्रेशन. इट मीन्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स? दैट एंथैल्पी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज एक्चुअली द सम ऑफ अबाउ 2 एंथैल्पीज. सो हाउ वी write this? Enthalpy of solution is equal to lattice enthalpy, crystal lattice enthalpy जो step 1 में है, and enthalpy of hydration which is step 2. Okay, let us verify this. For example, if I take NaCl, क्योंकि उसका हमें सोल्यूशन वैल्यू मालूम है. एंथैल्पी ऑफ सोल्यूशन कितना है 4 kilojoules per mole. For NaCl the crystal lattice enthalpy value is positive, as we said that it is always positive. It is 790 kilojoules per mole. Okay, and second step में क्या था, hydration. The hydration enthalpy for NaCl is found to be negative and it is minus 786 kilojoules per mole. तो फिर डेल्टा सोल्यूशन H फॉर NaCl मतलब एंथैल्पी ऑफ सोल्यूशन फॉर NaCl विल बी व्हाट 790 minus 786, you will get what, plus 4 kilojoules per mole. Okay, so remember the enthalpy of solution is the sum of the crystal lattice enthalpy and the enthalpy of hydration for a particular ionic compound. Okay, next we come to a concept which is called thermochemistry. Okay, next concept is a thermochemistry, which is a branch of chemistry which deals with what, enthalpy changes in chemical reaction. Whenever a chemical reaction take place, if there is change in heat, then thermochemistry is concerned with this change in heat. matlab enthalpy change in chemical reaction is studied in thermochemistry. Okay, so under this first we will see enthalpy of chemical reaction. What we mean by enthalpy of a chemical reaction? Enthalpy of chemical reaction will be represented in this way: delta RH, enthalpy of reaction. Now if you consider any particular reaction as what, A moles of A is reacting with B moles of B to produce C moles of C and D moles of D. Okay, we consider a general reaction. Now the enthalpy change for this reaction is called enthalpy of reaction, and it is given by what? It is the final enthalpy minus initial enthalpy, and final enthalpy will be taken as what? C moles, small c, enthalpy of product C plus small d, enthalpy of D. Okay, minus, let us come to the reactants. So I will take A moles of A, B moles of B. Okay, products minus reactants, where this HA, HB, HC and HD are nothing but the molar enthalpies of A, B, C, D respectively. So what I can say, that delta RH means enthalpy of reaction is summation of molar enthalpy of the products minus summation of total enthalpy of, summation matlab sum, that is total enthalpy of reactants. Okay, so what is enthalpy of reaction, students? It is defined as the difference between the sum of enthalpy of products and that of the reactants with each substance in a definite physical state, and their moles represented by coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. So that was enthalpy of a chemical reaction. How it will be calculated? Total enthalpy of the products minus total enthalpy of the reactants. Okay, और thermochemistry क्या है? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with study of enthalpy changes in chemical reactions. We will continue next time. Till then, bye bye.